Hello readers, and thank you for joining me for lesson number 4 of our consonant digraphs. Today we're going to be looking at the n sound. Can you say the n sound? Very good. There's lots of different ways to make the n sound. And today we're going to look at just the KN spelling of the n sound. Just like with all the other lessons this week, all of our consonant digraphs have one silent letter, and in this one, the letter K is silent. And when K and the rule says when the K and N are together at the beginning of a word or syllable, the K is silent and only the N is made. We see that in the word knob, and we also see it in the word knowledge. We see her getting some knowledge from a book. Well, let's get some knowledge today too. Let's start it off by practicing writing the letters that make that n sound. So let's get out our whiteboard and marker or paper and pencil, whatever you're using today. Let's write it 5 times, and every time we write the KN letter combination, let's make that n sound. You ready? Let's get started. N. 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 Thank you for doing that with me. I appreciate it. That's going to help you recognize it when you see it and help you spell it when you are writing. So as we get started, let's practice putting some words together that make those sounds. So the first one we're going to do is this, make the sound n. Next, O. Put that together, no, n-o, no, no. You know the right answer. Next one, sound n. Sound I. Put that together, knife, 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 knife. You would use a knife to cut a steak. Sound n. Sound ah. Put that together, knock, 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 knock. You would knock on somebody's door to see if they're home. Sound sound n. Put that together, un n. Put that together, un n o. Put that together, unknown, 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 unknown. If you don't know the answer is unknown. It's a secret. All right, let's work on some sounds that we've already learned this year. Make these with me. Full, and, burr, st, fur, purr, th, s, r, a, o, o, e, o. All right, let's do some silent blending. All right, ready? Don't say the word until the whole word is up. Knob, knee, new, knitting, no, knife. knack, knuckle, night, kneel, knives, knowledge. How'd you do? Did you do pretty well? I bet you did. Thanks for joining me again, guys. I appreciate it. You're getting better all the time. And until next time, happy reading.